Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Now in this session I am going to start with the next chapter 4, that is basic geometrical ideas. What is geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with the properties and relations of points, lines, angles, surfaces and solids. Geometry has a long and rich history. The term geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. Even today, geometrical ideas are reflected in all forms of art, measurements, engineering, cloth designing, etc. You observe and use different objects like boxes, tables, books, the tiffin box which you carry to your school for lunch, the ball with which you play, and so on. All such objects have different shapes. Points. By a sharp tip of the pencil, mark a dot on the paper. Sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. This almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of a point. A point determines a location. It is usually denoted by a capital letter. Some models for a point are given: the tip of a compass, the sharpened end of a pencil, the pointed end of a needle. If you mark 3 points on a paper, they are denoted by a single capital letter like A, B, C. We can read it as point A, point B, point C. A line segment. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between 2 points. The line segment joining points A and B is denoted by AB. The points A and B are called the end points. Line segment AB and line segment BA denote the same line segment. A line. Imagine that the line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction without any end. You now get a model for a line. A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both sides indefinitely. It is denoted by line AB or sometimes by a single small letter like L. Intersecting lines. Look at the diagram. Two lines L1 and L2 are shown. Two lines L1 and L2 pass through point O. We say L1 and L2 intersect at point O. Two distinct lines meeting at a point are called intersecting lines. Parallel lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet. Look at the figure given below. Two lines, line AB and line CD, are parallel. We can write it as line AB is parallel to line CD. A ray. A ray is a portion of line starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. 2 points are shown on the ray. They are capital letter A, the starting point, and capital letter B, a point on the path of the ray. We denote it by ray AB. You can see how it can be written. Curves. Look at the diagrams. Any drawing, straight or not straight, done without lifting the pencil may be called a curve. Curve in everyday usage means not straight. In mathematics, a curve can be straight. In this sense, a line is also a curve. Look at the diagrams. We observe that the curves 3 and 7 cross themselves, whereas the curves 1, 2, 5 and 6 do not. If a curve do not cross itself, then it is called a simple curve. A curve is said to be closed if its ends are joined. Figure 2. Otherwise, it is said to be open. That is figure 1. Now, position in a figure. In a closed curve, there are 3 parts. Look at the adjoining figure. A is in the interior inside of the curve. B is on the boundary of the curve. And C is in the exterior, that is outside of the curve. Polygons. Look at the figures given below. What can you say? Are they closed? Yes, they are closed. And they are special because they are made up entirely of line segments. They are called polygons. So, a polygon is a closed figure made up entirely of line segments. Sides, vertices and diagonals. Look at the figure given here. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. What are the sides of polygon A, B, C, D, E? The line segments are the sides of the polygon. The sides are line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CD, line segment DE and line segment EA. Vertices. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called a vertex. Look at the figure. Sides AE and ED meet at E. So, E is a vertex of polygon A, B, C, D, E. Points A, B, C and D are its other vertices. Adjacent sides. Any two sides with a common endpoint are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. Look at the figure. Line segment AB and line segment BC, then line segment BC and line segment CD, then line segment CD and line segment DE, then line segment DE and line segment EA are adjacent sides. Adjacent vertices. The endpoints of the same side of a polygon are called the adjacent vertices. Look at the figure. Vertices E and D are adjacent vertices. Similarly, vertices A and B, vertices B and C, vertices C and D, vertices A and E are adjacent vertices. Diagonals. The join of any two non-adjacent vertices is a diagonal. Consider the pairs of vertices which are not adjacent. The joins of these vertices are called the diagonals of the polygon. Look at the figure. line segment AC, line segment AD, line segment BD, line segment BE and line segment CE are diagonals. Exercise 4.1. Question 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. That is, from the letters A, B, C and D. Answer. Line AB, line AC, line AD, line BA, line BC, line BD, line CA, line CB, line CD, line DA, line DB and line DC. Exercise 4.2. 1. Classify the following curves as 1. Open or 2. Closed. Look at the figures given. Answer. A. Open curve. B. Closed curve. C. Open curve. D. Closed curve. E. Closed curve. I hope you have understood the topics in this session. Solve the sums. Take care. Thank you.